Throughout this project, there's many different manholes, and every manhole has different characteristics inside it. Some are made of brick, block, precast. Throughout all these different types of manholes, the process mainly stays the same. We take our grinder to the top, removing all of the rust from the area. What this does is it gives us a good clean surface for our polyurea to stick to. We get our 3,000 to 4,000 PSI pressure washer out, and we pressure wash the walls with a rotary tip. It removes any loose sediment from the walls and makes sure that we have a good strong substrate to get to. And we get all the debris off of the bottom, get it out of the trough. We rinse it down, get it all good to go. Through our drying process, we use a carpet blower, and we have forced air heaters. Helps pick up the speed a little bit more. It's not necessary, but it just helps us get production up. Once that's done, we check for leaks. If there's leaks, we go through one of the leak stopping procedures. OBIC has its own line of grout products that we use. Some have expansions of up to 6,000%. Once all these leaks are stopped, we will clean up any type of material we have left down there, re-dry the whole area, and then we'll start our lining process. The primer helps the lining system to adhere to that metal better. So we'll start from the top, put the first couple layers on from above, and then our OBIC certified applicator will get inside the hole with all the safety protective gear on, and it'll begin to apply the system throughout. It'll be applied all the way down to the water line inside the structure, and this will create a monolithic lining system that will protect all of the substrate inside of the structure. The OBIC armor system is a multi-layer system. The materials set up within 30 seconds of application. We don't have to shut off the manhole for multiple hours. We don't have to wait for it to dry. All OBIC lining materials are 1-to-1 ratio materials, which creates a contractor-friendly application.